Hello friends, welcome to Best 99s. Hope you are well. Today I am talking about a product which is so useful for birthday party or any occasion. Today's product is Victoria Antique Silver Cake Stand Set. Let's know about this product. 3-piece crystal drop silver cake stand set is perfect to showcase your favorite cakes and dessert at any wedding, birthday party, baby shower, anniversary, quinceanera, afternoon tea and any other event for special occasion. This cake stand also make a good housewarming gift. Dimension. The top surface plate diameter from small to large is 8 inch, 10 inch and 12 inch wide respectively, and they all stand at 5.25 inch tall. The design features fully transparent glass surface tops and an ornate handcrafted steel frame. The metal frame is draped and decorated with authentic glass, crystal dentures and beads. The base of the stand is weighted and comes with a felt bottom to ensure sturdiness when displaying. Food safety. Powder coated is a silver color paint and finished with antique style brush stroke, giving it a dessert vintage look. The paint is 100% full safe, so you can also use it to serve appliances and other food items, not dishwasher safe. The plate and the base can be taken apart for easy storage, handling and transporting. The three stands are securely packaged in a custom model styrofoam and each glass crystal is wrapped tightly to ensure safety during transit. Product description. The simple elegance of the glass surface plate paired with dazzling hand-strung glass crystal make it perfect for showcasing your favorite dessert and cupcakes at any wedding, birthday party, event, baby shower, anniversary, quinceanera, afternoon tea or any special occasion. Stunning and versatile, this Victoria Collection 3-piece glass top silver cake stand set has the ability to stand out at any upscale occasion effortlessly. The weight for each of the 3 cake stands from small to large are 8 inch, 10 inch and 12 inch wide respectively, with 3 different options to choose for when it comes size. This cake stand can hold most small and standard size cake and delicious. So friends, if you want to buy this product, please check all details in the description and subscribe my channel for more product update. Thank you friends.